Channel, it's your girl Anora, and I am back with another video, guys. As you can see, I got some clips hair here, guys. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how I create my clips hair. Okay, so I'm just showing you, I think, one line on how I fit in my clips hair. So just watch. In this video, it's not a full installation of the clip hair, so I'm just like demonstrating on how you can fit it in. So this video is all about how I create my clips hair. So just watch this little part of it. This little part will show you how, when you're done with it, how you can clip the hair. But for those who want to see a full video on this, how I insert my clips hair, please leave a comment down below and I will do a video for that. Okay, so thank you guys so much for always tuning in. So I'm just showing you guys how I insert my clips hair, you know. So as you guys can see, that's how you can fit in your clips hair and nobody will notice. So we're doing that, you have to leave a hair at the side of your ear side, from the front, right round, like round your hair, you need to leave hair from there. So when you insert the clips, nobody can notice that there's anything on your hair. So that's what your girl just did. So look at the both side, there's nothing, nobody can figure it out if there's anything there. Look at the hair, guys. So that is just it. So in doing your clips hair, so guys, in creating that, you need a bundle, you need a thread and a needle, a scissors and a clips. You know, that's the bundles. I'm just going to untie the bundles. So in doing that, this is my hair. You just go in and try and create patterns on your hair. For mine, I did, I think, 5 clippers. I did 5 of the clips hair to insert it in my hair. So I created 5 lines in my hair and measure it, and I cut the hair, you know. So that is what you have to do first. That is the first step. You don't want to create your clip, you just cut the hair in any manner. No, you have to go in, you measure what you're going in with, like from the behind. As you can see what I'm doing, you just measure it. When you get the right length that you're going in for, you just bring down the hair and you cut it. When you cut it, you have to double the waves, you know. You don't want a scanty clips hair on your hair. So I just measure it and I go in and I cut it. So that is just what you have to first take note of when you're going in with your clips hair. So I'm going in now with the second line. That is what your girl is doing. So just go in and I create the same pattern and I take my bundles and I measure it. Just go in and you measure. When you measure it, you bring it down, you cut the hair. And when you cut the hair, please double the webs. Okay, double the webs. You have to double it and cut it. If you like, you can put it 3, because the clips they have 3 holes there, you know. We'll get into that. So I'm just going in now in the process of measuring the hair and, you know, get into what I'm going in for. So that's just what your girl is doing. So I'm just going to measure my webs and I cut that. That is it, guys. So that's it with this process. So thank you guys so much for always there, like for always being there, always tuning into my channel, like for always checking how I'm doing. I mean, I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And guys, if you want to see how I grow my hair, please leave a comment down below. I know so many people have been DM me on my Instagram and telling me, "Girl, this your hair, this your hair, how did you do it?" It's very simple in growing your hair. We all can grow our hair. So I'm just in the process of measuring the hair still. Sorry, the video took so long. So now I'm in the process of inserting the clippers. So that's what I'm doing. You just put your needle in the first hole of the clip and you put it on the first webs. You understand? You just put the two together and you pull it, and you just do the same thing over and over and over and over again. You do it in the first hole, you know. We are going in the first webs and the first hole. So that is what you should take note of. When you're going with the first hole, you should go in with the first webs. When you're going in with the second hole, you should make sure you go in with the second wefts. So guys, that is what your girl is doing. Sorry, I could not focus the camera, like I could not zoom the camera right there because I was all alone and I'm using my phone, so I was using the back camera like to get a very bright image. So sorry, I could not zoom it for you guys to figure it out. So now I'm going in now with the other side. So you should always take note, you should do it the both side. So you go in with your first hole with your first web. So it's very easy if you follow the steps. It's very easy for you to create your clips hair at home. Very easy. So now, as you can see a little bit, yeah, you guys can see now I'm going out the second hole. So I'm going out the second web. So you can see I put it there and I link it together, as you can see here, and I just pull it off. So that is it, guys. It's very easy to create your clips hair, and I mean I really love the end result. You know, it was really beautiful. Even though I didn't insert all the hair, I will do another video for that. If you guys want to see how I insert it, just leave a comment down below. Your girl will get to you guys, okay? So that's it. I'm done with the first side, so I go now with the second side. You see, you link your needle in the first hole and you attach it to your webs, to the first webs. That is what you should take note, not the second, the first web. So you just make sure you secured the hair. You know, it's a clip, you want it to lay down flat. So that is it. That's what your girl is doing. So now I'm going out with the second hole. I just put it in and I pull it. So guys, that is it about the clips hair. That is how you can do your own clips hair at home. That is how Anora's create her clips hair, the clips hair that you saw on the beginning of this video. This is how I created my clips hair. So guys, I'm just into the process. When you cut your thread, girl, please always make sure you tie this stuff off. Always make sure you tie it, no matter what. If you're doing a wig, anything, just always make sure you secured this sewing, guys. You don't want to get embarrassed somewhere, like you somewhere your hair just fall off. You won't find it easy, you won't find it funny, I know. So that's it. I'm just doing the same process. I'm just doing the same thing all over. Please take note, really focus on it for you to get what you're going in for. So guys, I'm just in the process. I pull it over, I go in now with the second hole, with the second webs. I scoop the needle and I pull it over. I go in. You can secure it as many times as you want. You can do the sewing, because the more you secure the sewing, the more it will last you for long time, girl. So that is what I'm just doing. Just secure it in, and I move to the. So guys, when you're done with it, you just secured your sew and you kept the leftover thread. So guys, that is how your clip should be looking like on your bundles. That is how it should be looking like when you're done. You see what I'm doing? That is it. So guys, now I'm moving on to the next one. You can see I'm doing the same thing. I'm following the same process. So you just go in and follow the same process in all of your clips hair. In all of the clips hair that you're about to do, you just follow the same process. You just follow the first hole with the first web. So that's just what your girl is doing. You know, the video took so long, so I had to do some of them off camera. So I did, I think, just 2 or 3 in the camera, so I did the rest off camera. So but for all those who want to see how I insert it on my hair, just leave a comment down below and your girl will get to you. So guys, thank you guys so very much for always tuning into my channel. Hope you're seeing what your girl is doing. Thank you guys so very much for all the new subscribers. I am saying, you guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there. Thank you guys so very much. I'm really grateful to have you guys out there. So thank you guys so very much. So that's just what your guys doing. As you can see, I'm just like doing the same process over and over and over and over, and I really always make sure I always secure it like very good before I go in and I cut my thread. And I'm moving on to the next clips here. Please take note on how you can put it. And when you want to lay the clip hair to go hit in and sew, the clip should be facing up. It should be facing you, not down. Don't put it the opposite side. You should put the clip to be facing you from up. Okay, so that's what you should take note of too. And the bundles that I'm using, it is 14-inch, the same length with my hair. So my hair is 14-inch now, guys. So I'm using the same length of my hair, 14 inches. So that's the bundle your girl is using. Okay, so I just go in and I cut it, and I get the other side of it, doing the same thing. First, the first hole with the first web. So if you're a new viewer on my channel that you have not subscribed on my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my video when I upload any. And please, if you find the video helpful, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to be seen on this channel, and please do not forget to share the videos to your friend, your loved one, your family, anyone you know the video can be helpful to. Just go ahead and share the video. Thank you guys so very much. You guys just going in now and cutting the last thread. I am done. These are my clips hair. You can see they are all laid. So if you want to see it on my hair, leave a comment down below. I will get to you. So thank you guys so very much. Those are my hair. I have 5 of the clips hair. Thank you guys so very much. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.